Here's the Fast Cash client reactivation campaign that can bring in a $10,000 cash surge, and it can be done for only 1 to 2 cents per client. Plus, if you stick with me toward the end of the video, I'm going to give you a link to where you can get a $20 credit toward that service to where you can send like 500 of these messages for free. So, first, it should not be a big secret. Everybody in the cleaning industry should know. I've been talking about it for years. Howard Partridge has been talking about it. Every marketing guru would agree that client marketing, especially for the cleaning business, is the way to go first and foremost for talking to the people who have already done business with you. That is a no-brainer. But here is a new little-known marketing secret that kind of goes along with that. You've probably heard me talk about postcards. Postcards are great. Postcards get seen because they at least get glanced at, right? But they're expensive. I'm not saying you shouldn't do them because you still should, but I'm going to give you a cheaper way to actually market and reactivate past clients. Email marketing is great, but email marketing's got its problems. It doesn't get delivered. It goes to spam folders, and it's expensive, right? So what do you do instead? Text marketing. With text messages, you get a almost 100%, 98, 99% deliverability rate. They all get sent. They all get opened almost, and they don't go to spam filters. And it's super cheap. Like I said, 1 to 2 cents per client. So it's a no-brainer. This is something that you should be doing in your cleaning business. But the question is, how do you do it? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. So in our ad coaching club, we do have software. I'm going to show you another way. If you're not part of the ad club, I'm going to show you another way to where you can still send these text messages so you don't have to be in the ad club. The easiest way, though, is to use software. We provide software that does that for you. All you have to do is set up an initial system with Twilio. We're going to show you how to do that in just a second. But basically, you're going to be able to go in and text message everybody. You can import your client list. You can import it in Excel, which is going to be in any type of other database program that you've got. QuickBooks, anybody has got their database at all, you're going to have it in Excel. So you import it here with an Excel list, and then you have your list show up here, or you can import them individually by entering them if you care to do it that way, if they're not already in a computer system somewhere. And then all you have to do is either select the people that you want to send to, or select everybody. Or if you've got everybody, you can actually tag your individual clients based on if you clean carpet for them or rugs or tile, or if they have pets or not. You can actually send it to just specifically tagged people, or the people who you've done business with after a certain time. And then you can click to send them an SMS message. And this is literally as easy as this is. I've got a couple of messages already saved over here, and I'm going to copy one of them right now and paste this here. And basically it's just saying, hi, it's John, letting them know who you are, refreshing the memory with your cleaning company. We just cleaned for you over a year ago and we haven't heard from you, whatever. I just wanted to check up and see if there was anything else you needed. By the way, we have online booking if you happen to have that. Happy summer. Just a friendly message, a friendly reminder. This is professional. This is not weird. And if you don't abuse this, and by abuse it, I mean you can't text them once a month, right? That's abuse. You can't really even text them more than a couple, 2, maybe 3 times a year. Anything more than that, unless they asked for it, you're kind of outweighing your welcome, right? But if you do this every now and then, and maybe too, this is an example of a text message where maybe you're going to give them a special offer. Hi, this is who you are with your cleaning company. We cleaned for you over a year ago. I wanted to give you a $25 credit, just something light, something easy. Who doesn't want to get that in a text message? Again, not often, a couple times a year maybe. Just mention this text. They're going to save the text. They're going to call you with the number that you responded to. If you want to put your website there. If you have linking or website appointment ability. Again, our software can actually help you book appointments online as well if you choose to set it up that way. You don't have to use it that way, but it can. Happy summer. Just a nice, friendly message. You can send it all at once. You can drip it out. there you go. And the other neat thing about this software too is you can also set it up to send everybody this message automatically after 6 months or a year that you've done service with them, whatever the case may be. Then all you have to do is click send SMS, boom. That's simple. And this is all through the software that we have in the Ad Coaching Club. Now, I told you I'd give you another way to do it. Maybe you're not part of the Ad Coaching Club. Maybe you can't swing the small fee that we have in the Ad Coaching Club, or you just wanted to test out SMS messaging, text messaging yourself. Here's another way to do that. Now, one of the things that we actually set up and link through is Twilio. We actually use Twilio, and it syncs with our software in the Ad Coaching Club. So you have to get a Twilio account. We give you a $20 credit right below. I'll put it somewhere below this video. All you have to do is click that link. You'll get a $20 credit. If you did want to get your own phone number, which I do recommend, it's $1 per month. I recommend that you get a local phone number. That way it doesn't look weird like it's somebody texting them from out of the city or out of the state or somewhere else. So 2 different ways to do that. Even if you're just in Twilio, you can send the messages. Again, it's a little bit more clunky to send them. It's a lot more user-friendly when you do have a system, but still possible, right? You log in, get your profile set up, and then click send SMS message, and you can send them one by one, and choose the number that you're sending it from, and then paste in the text right here. Click send text, boom, it's done. Or you click on get set up and start the setup, go through, choose what you're going to select for the messaging service, go through and do all of that. You can import the list and send your message that way. So a little bit more clunky, it's not as automatic, but it's still better than nothing, and it's something to do. Maybe, like I said, the messages that we have right now for summer, super common sense, and again, professional. When you give messages like this, reminding them that you cleaned for them a while ago, letting them know if you have a special offer. It shouldn't be a hard sell. It should just be a very, very light type of a sell, letting them know that they can mention this text so that they save the text. And then if you have online booking, maybe even put your office phone number in there. If it's a different phone number, clicking send, and that's it. Now, if you're already part of the Ad Club, we do have an entire training module under the software training on how to set all of this up. If you don't have the software set up yet, under the software training link, click here to get started, and then you'll get the information on what you need to get us to be able to get that software going for you. It might take you half an hour, depending on how computer savvy you are. It might take you a little bit longer than that, but well worth it. Get it done, get it set up, and then you'll have that ready to go and use forever. And then you can send text messages for around $0.015 per completed text. If it's not, the other question that I often get is, what if I don't know if it's a cell number or not? Not a big deal. The system will actually find out which ones are cell numbers, and if it's not a cell number that can be texted, you just don't get charged the $0.015. Super easy, super cheap. Do it. This is something that you really, really need to be doing in your cleaning business. Now, again, I still recommend that you do email marketing. Some clients are great to do email marketing. Some clients love to get emails from you. I still recommend that because you can tell more of a story in an email. You can describe more of your services than what you can in an SMS message, but SMS has got its place, guys. They get opened, they get read, it's super cheap to do, just don't abuse it, do it the right way, do it tastefully, and it can be a good part of your client marketing campaign, along with email marketing and along with postcard marketing. By the way, postcard marketing, again, is one of the best ways. I still can't stress enough that is, because somebody at that house is going to get that message, and you can tell a lot more of a story than you can in a simple text. You can actually put pictures, obviously, you can do all sorts of stuff. There's ways to do that even as well in a text message, but do all of them. Your clients are worth it. Do all of them, build your brand, and stay busy in your cleaning business.